Hello everybody, today we're going to be replacing the timer for a Maytag model MEDX655DW1. Should only take us 15 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Oh, also the part number replacement part is W10642928. Alright, we're going to take off the panel. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. All right, gotta take the knob off. You're gonna need a bent needle nose pliers to get to the Okay, you're going to need bent needle nose pliers to get to the second fastener of the timer. You can see now that the timer's taken away, you need to put your needle nose and push these down, squeeze them tight, then slide the timer off. There's no screws that hold it down. Okay. Now we just need to replace wire by wire. Goes around like this. Here we go. It's 1. 2. Ground. Here's the supervisor, Herschel Robertson. Okay, try to put it back the way it was oriented. It's going to snap. I'm going to do the bottom one first. Snap, snap. Okay. Okay, here's the old timer. New one's been installed. Now I just put everything back together. Yeah, I was thinking that I could take the putty knife and push in, and you'll see we got a tab down there, and you push. Oops. That's how you do it. Okay, after getting this thing apart, you can go in with a putty knife on each far corner. You gotta push all the way in with the putty knife to put pressure on a lever that holds it in, and then you could rock it out. You tip it back and pick it up, and you could work on it from the front. That's all the steps. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.